So someone just translated this video into German. Now watch the format of this video. It's what some consider a sermon jam.
This chapter, it starts out seconds.
There is video in the background and there is text throughout the video, as you can see right there, in English. And a lot of text in the middle.
Thousands.
Like
It
that.
didn't matter that he'd had.
So what do I do in a situation like this? Well, when I created this video, I also rendered the video with absolutely none of the text showing. I turned those layers off in Premiere Pro, and I just rendered out an empty video. And what this allows me to do is take the translation and very quickly render it onto the video. And so I'm using Media Player Classic. Media Player Classic is going to give me the ability to change where I want the subtitles to show, so it's not at the bottom and I can easily center them. And I'm going to drag in the video. And now I will take the subtitle file. I'm doing this on my other monitor, and I'm going to drag that .srt in. And when I drag it in, that's what it looks like initially. And what we're going to do is right click and go into subtitle track styles. And I'm going to click first on the font, and we'll make that Minion Pro. Let's try font size 22. And here where it says screen alignment and margins, we're going to click in the middle. And this is going to put the text in the center of the video because we don't need it at the bottom. And we'll hit play. And that's what it looks like. You've got this text automatically showing in the middle. And someone might even assume that you did all these individual layers in Premiere Pro to show the text. Now there is a negative. The negative here is if you didn't want text to show at a certain point in the video, obviously you can't customize that here. In this case, since it's a German translation of an English video, I need the German text showing throughout the entire video. And there it is right in the middle. And I think that font size is a decent font size. You can edit the width, the shadow for the outline. You can edit the colors, etc. So what we're going to do now is go up to File and do Subtitles and save Subtitles. And we're going to save this as a SSA, and we will call it German David's Great Sin. Now in this case we're going to use XVID for PSP to render this video together. So I first am going to load in the video, and then I will add the subtitles, the SSA. And now let's look, and got that in there correctly. And then we will go ahead and encode this out. And then you can upload this to YouTube. And so when creating a video that has this type of format where you're having someone preaching or some audio and there's text in the video, be sure to have your original file and export the video with the text layers turned off, and then you can easily take that subtitle file and render that and embed that this quick onto the entire video. And you don't have to go in there and manually add the text. You can easily get it centered and customize the font.